In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Framer using Lemon Squeezy. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Framer account. Start by heading over to the main Framer dashboard in your browser. This is where you can see all of your recent projects and folders. From here, choose the website or project where you want to add your payment option. Just click on the project thumbnail or its title to open it up in the Framer editor. Once your project is open, look towards the top or left side of the editor and find the Insert option. This is where Framer keeps all its components, elements, and integrations. Go ahead and click Insert to bring up the full list of items you can add to your page. Inside the Insert panel, you'll see different categories. Look for the category labeled Utility. This section usually contains functional components, tools, and integrations that help you add more advanced features to your site. Click on Utility to expand it and reveal the available components inside. Among the options in Utility, find the Lemon Squeezy component. This is the integration that lets you connect your Lemon Squeezy product checkout directly to your Framer page. Once you see it, click and drag the Lemon Squeezy component onto your canvas, then drop it where you want the payment button or checkout element to appear. You can always adjust its position later, so don't worry about placing it perfectly on the first try. With the component selected on your canvas, look over to the sidebar on the right side of the screen. This is where the settings for the Lemon Squeezy component will appear. Here, you'll be able to configure how it behaves and which product it links to. Leave this panel open for now, because we'll come back to it in just a moment. Next, open Lemon Squeezy in another browser tab. Go to your products list and choose the product you want to sell through your Framer site. Once you've opened that product, look for the Share or Checkout link option. Click on Share and copy the product or checkout URL that Lemon Squeezy provides. Now go back to Framer and return to the Lemon Squeezy settings in the sidebar. Find the field that asks for a link or URL and paste the link you just copied from Lemon Squeezy. Once that's in place, your Framer component is now connected to your Lemon Squeezy product, and visitors will be able to use it as a payment method on your site.